This is a demo. What's up and welcome back, it's DF Test channel. Today Honor 9X unboxing, box front side Honor 9X Pro name mentioned, what the inside the box. Yeah, inside normally phone here, more free safety case and Type-C cable, last AC adapter here. Let's overview the phone side by side. First display, the handsets also come with bezel-less, 6.6-inch, LCD displays at Full HD Plus resolution, not a MOLED display. I hate it. Honor free to install screen protector. Wait, remove. Both phones feature an octa-core Kirin 810 chipset, which is built on 7nm process technology and was first seen on the Huawei Nova 5, though the Honor 9X Pro chip shouldn't run as hot as its sibling thanks to additional liquid cooling. This phone running on Android 9.0 Pie, in MIUI 9.3, well, its LCD screen SO fingerprint changed aside, more volume plus and MIMOS hey here, phone topside pop-up camera here, inside 16MP camera here, more SIM card tri-port here, left side NTH, plan, phone bottom side, 3.5mm jack, Type-C port, speaker here. This is a demo. Fingerprint place change main reason, this phone display LCD so not possible to use under display fingerprint. So changed, back but side more easy to unlock same as Sony XZ5. Phone backside triple camera setup here, rear, 48MP plus 8MP, wide angle, plus 2MP, depth, f/1.8, video end, share some photo samples. This is a demo. GPU Turbo 3.0 support. Thea powered by 4000 mAh batteries with USB-C connectivity charging at 5V/2A, basically equivalent to Quick Charge 1.0. The standard Honor 9X, seen above, comes with 4GB or 6GB RAM and 64GB or 128GB of internal storage, while the Pro model, seen below, houses 8GB RAM and 128GB or 256GB internal storage. The Honor 9X is up for pre-order from today in China ahead of I.
Come get lost with me. 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 Just run away with my dog.